In today's video, I'm going to show you how I transplanted these Mophead Hydrangea. I'm going to transplant some hydrangeas I planted about 2 years ago in my chicken pen, and nobody really gets to enjoy them out here. They grow real well. The chickens don't eat them, surprisingly enough. But I'm going to dig them up today and move them up by the house so they'll be in a little bit of shade in the afternoon sun. I'm put them on the east side of the house, and anyways, these should fill out real nice. They always have nice flowers down here. They're always getting fertilized real good by these chickens. But I'm moving them up there, make a big bed along the house. Anyways, here we go. Now is the perfect time of year to transplant hydrangeas because it's cool. I would say most of the leaves fall off usually. These are supposed to be deciduous, but these have held on to a few scraggly limbs. And anyways, everything I do is one-handed because I'm videoing with my phone. This dirt's dry, but anyways, I'm gonna dig up around them, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, I've dug them up. Just basically cut a circle around them, pretty big. Try to get way out from them if you can, to not break a bunch of roots. And these don't have a very deep root system, it doesn't look like. I cut off a couple of big roots. Shouldn't hurt them though. But I'll bring this dirt with it. They should do just fine. It's gonna be very heavy though. Alright, see if I can get a better shot of digging this one up. I just come out about as far as the branches. It sounds like I didn't need to because I'm not cutting any roots. Like I always say, you can be a lot rougher with most plants than you think you can. I think the chickens are getting upset I'm taking their plants. Big giant root running across here, but I'm pretty sure it's from that oak tree. Here's some roots breaking, but that's just fine. And there you have it. Urgh. Yeah, I broke one big root. It'll be fine though. We're gonna move it to its new home. All right, I cut out the side, busted up the ground a little bit below it. You can see it's red clay. Just cut it kind of in the shape of the plant I dug up. The root system's not shallow at all. Never mind, it is shallow. It's not deep at all. So didn't dig a very deep hole. Matter of fact, I want to leave it sitting up a little, make sure it drains. So at this point, I just put some slow release fertilizer on it. Not too thick, about that thick. And gently grab it up. Ugh. Plop it into place. Situate about how we want it, which any direction's fine. Okay, I'm all done. I'm out of breath because I'm lazy. But yeah, these don't look very nice right now, but come spring they'll fill all out. Fill in this whole area. We'll have a wall of color all the way down here because I moved several bushes from different places to get them in some more shade so they do better, or part shade. About 11 o'clock or so this starts shading over, so these do a lot better here. Brought a lot of dirt with them when I moved them, so I didn't amend the soil at all. I put a little bit of slow release fertilizer in it, and now I'm just going to water them down real good. Get the air pockets out. Settle the dirt in around the roots. The roots that were exposed a little bit at the bottom. Like I said, I dug up the majority of the root ball with it, so the roots were hardly exposed. And I should have trimmed these things up, but like I said, they've been in the chicken pen. Don't mess with them too much in there. You can see they filled in real well. They're doing real good in this spot because they get shade for about half the day. I also added a endless summer. That's the purple one there. It's supposed to bloom more often, but the real showstopper here is the blue Mophead. And yeah, they're doing real well here. Don't mind the weeds. I really need to weed, but anyways. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope it helped some people out. Hope you learned something from it or enjoyed it. And if you haven't yet, take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified of any new gardening videos I put out. Thanks for watching.